Hi beauties, welcome back. The Jumiso Pore Purifying Salicylic Acid Foaming Cleanser has truly exceeded my expectations in terms of efficacy and gentleness. As someone who struggles with occasional breakouts and textured skin, finding a cleanser that effectively addresses these concerns without leaving my skin feeling stripped or dry has been a game changer. First and foremost, the 0.5% salicylic acid content works wonders in removing dead skin cells and tackling stubborn whiteheads and blackheads. This makes it an excellent choice for pore care and anyone dealing with acne or texture issues. Despite being a foaming cleanser, I'm impressed by how it manages to thoroughly cleanse my skin without causing any dryness or irritation. One of the standout features of this cleanser is its recommendation to leave it on the skin for about 2 minutes before rinsing. This allows the salicylic acid to work its magic and truly penetrate the pores, maximizing its exfoliating and purifying benefits. I've noticed a significant improvement in the overall clarity and radiance of my skin since incorporating this step into my routine. The addition of French blue clay further enhances the detoxifying properties of the cleanser, helping to revitalize and rebalance the skin. I appreciate that it's suitable for all skin types and doesn't exacerbate any existing sensitivities. Plus, its non-comedogenic formula ensures that it doesn't clog pores or cause further breakouts. In terms of texture and application, the cleanser foams up beautifully and rinses off easily, leaving my skin feeling incredibly soft and smooth. I love how it effectively removes impurities without leaving any residue behind. Overall, I can confidently say that the Jumiso Pore Purifying Salicylic Acid Foaming Cleanser has become a staple in my skincare routine. It's a high-functional, all-in-one solution for anyone looking to improve their pore care and combat acne, delivering visible results without compromising on gentleness or hydration. Highly recommend giving it a try.